Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to copy and paste a part. So for example, I will create part. You can click sketch, choose a top plane and draw rectangle. Use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now in here we have the part 1, and if you want to copy and paste, you can right click and then choose copy here. The next you can move the part, like I will move into here. After it, click OK to duplicate. So that's it. If you want to copy again, you can select like part 2, right click and then choose copy here. You can move the objects and then click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial how to copy and paste a part.